In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize widgets in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused dashboard that shows exactly what you care about most without the clutter. Start by heading to the Home area from the left sidebar. This brings you to your main dashboard, the central place where all your widgets live. If you've been navigating reports or invoices, this is a quick way to come back to the overview. Think of the home screen as your command center. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right and click Customize. This is your control panel for what appears on the page. From there, choose Add or Remove Widgets. You'll see a checklist of available widgets. These are the small panels that display snapshots of your financial data, like sales trends or expenses. The checklist is simple. Check the widgets you want to see and uncheck the ones that aren't helpful right now. A good tip here is to start with fewer widgets, so the page loads quickly and the most important information stands out. You can always come back and add more later as your needs change. After you've made your selections, hit Save. This applies your choices to the dashboard immediately. Take a moment to scan the page and make sure the set of widgets matches how you work. If something feels unnecessary or you're missing a key panel, just return to Customize and adjust the checklist again. There's no penalty for experimenting, and it's easy to fine-tune over time. With the right widgets in place, it's time to arrange them in a way that makes sense to you. Simply click and drag a widget to move it. As you drag, you'll see a spot open up where the widget can drop. Release it when it's in the right place. Put your most used widgets at the top left, so they're in your direct line of sight when the dashboard loads. Group related items together. For example, keep cash flow and expenses near each other so you can scan them in one go. A tidy layout reduces the time you spend hunting for information and helps you focus on what matters. That's all there is to it. Go to Home, open Customize, add or remove widgets using the checklist, save your choices, and then drag to rearrange them. With just a few clicks, you'll have a dashboard that supports your daily workflow and keeps important insights front and center.